Hi, this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this month. It's a period of many, many issues. You will feel it. We just had the eclipse, the moon eclipse. And moon eclipses is always where your emotions arises. It's like the it's like the how do you say it, it's like the projection of the light of the sun is away, so which means that the strength of the moon is much more bigger, which means your emotional body, you will feel it like hell. So many things that you did not let go. So this is a period with the full moon, the blood moon in Piscean, is letting go of old stuff. Many things will happen and can happen in your life if you did not let go of lower vibrations. It can be that some loved one of your loved ones, that will suddenly disappear or will go away, friendships goes away. So it's an entire renewal, and to go into the renewal, we have to let go of the past and let go of old patterns. You have to know that the both timelines is like the old time and new time are running together, and know now they are interfering with each other, which means that the old and the new are playing together. And sometimes it's very difficult to know, am I on a good track? Am I in the new world, or am I still in the old way? You will feel it. Your body will ache when you are still in the old, because your body is carrying like tons in a chain, tons and tons. You are carrying old stuff of ancestors and etc. And you will feel the change literally in your physical body. So really watch and feel what is happening with your body. This is a time to really take care of your physical body. So what you have to know as well is that we are in front of a new door, and this door opens now, and this will take like 28 years. So make sure that these 28 years are joyful. You have to figure out what are you doing in your life that you really like a lot. This is where you are heading to. And when we focus on the new things that we really want, you can figure out what you don't want, and you have to let it go. You have to make the decisions now. You cannot take the old into the new. And when we decide and when we plan, when we make a vision board for the new you within these 28 years, it's good that you make the decisions from a place of joy and that you stay in your heart. And this is, we just had that moon eclipse, but we are heading on the 21st in a solar eclipse. And that eclipse you will really feel it, because in between we have to make decisions. And if you cannot make the decision, it doesn't matter. When you are spiritual, you will see many things will happen that you did not plan, but it is for a higher purpose. So just be calm and stay centered. This is a period really to stay centered. If you are, kind of codependent and still are having that way of, too much taking care of others and not deciding for yourself, go into the nature and envision yourself within 28 years. It's so important. This is really one of the most potent periods that we have in this time. It is now. So let that door go, in that new door, and create your future. Stop being a victim and go into the creator modus. And what you can do, if it's really heavy that you feel, you can take baths with sea salt. That helps. Smudging helps a lot as well. and go into nature, because now we are on the 20th of September, we have the equinox. The equinox period is like a Celtic and a very important day of our ancestors that were spiritual, where you go into your balance. So stay in your center. And I hope you have a really nice September. Oha.